Hello students, in this video we'll discuss about follow. So in the last video we have discussed about predictive parsers and the techniques to construct the predictive parsing table, that is first and follow. So in the last video we have discussed about first. So in this video we are going to discuss how to construct the follow. So these two techniques will be helpful in constructing the predictive parsers. So first let me go with this follow of A. So guys, we are going to find the first for the alpha. Means the first can be applicable to alpha, means it can be n plus t whole star. Means you can apply the first to a terminal, you can apply the first to a non-terminal, you can apply the first to a combination of terminals and non-terminals, and sometimes even you can apply the first to epsilon. So that's the reason we have in the first algorithm also we have discussed about that. First rule, first of terminal is terminal, epsilon, like, okay, and we have taken the combination of terminals and non-terminals in our examples. But when it comes to the follow is applicable to only the non-terminals. You are not going to find it is not required to find the follow of a terminal in construction of predictive parser. So generally we won't find the follow for a terminal. So we are going to find the follow for a single non-terminal. Right. So first, here we are having three rules mainly. If S is a starting symbol, then you have to take the dollar. So, and assume that we are finding the follow of B here, right? So then whenever you are asked to find the follow of a non-terminal, you have to check where it is on right hand side. So if it is somewhere like this, then the follow of B is nothing but the first of remaining symbols, right? So we have to find the first of remaining all the symbols. If it is a terminal, take it. If it is epsilon, what you have to do, that we'll discuss. If it is a non-terminal, find the first of it. Because either follow set or first set never ever contains a non-terminals. It contains only terminals, or sometimes epsilon in first and dollar in follow. But by mistake also you are not supposed to take the non-terminal in follow set. So here if you are asked to find the follow of B, if B is followed by something, then find the first of it. That's what we have given here. Then assume that if B is followed by nothing, right? If B is followed by nothing, then the follow of B is nothing but the follow of A. So you have to take the follow of the left hand side in non-terminal, right? So to find the follow, what is required for us? First, if you don't know how to construct the first, then it is useless to start the follow. So let me explain this with a simple example. So we have taken this grammar, so the expression grammar. Then if you are asked to find the follow of this grammar, so then first you have to find the first of the grammar, right? So anyway, you have the things here, you can cross check at the end. So first of alpha and follow of A. So we are going to find the first and follow of each and every non-terminal. So let me go with this, guys. See, it's very simple. When you are asked to find the first, go from bottom up way. Then F, you want to find the first of F. So how many productions F is having 2, then just consider the first symbol. If it is a terminal, take it and just remove that, just ignore the remaining symbols if it is a terminal. And consider the first symbol, again it is a terminal, then take it. Like you have to consider the each and every first symbol in each and every production, right? If you are having 10 production, you have to consider 10 first symbols. Same way, now I want to find the first of T dash. What is the first symbol here? Star. As it is a terminal, take it. And what is the first symbol? Epsilon. So remember this, epsilon is a key to go to the next symbol. As there is no symbol, that's the reason I'm taking epsilon. If there is a symbol, then in place of epsilon you would have gone to that symbol. Same way, I just want to find the first of T. So we are having only production, then concentrate on first symbol. What is this? F. You cannot take the F here. Why? Because as I told you, the non-terminals are not allowed in either first set or follow set. Then at the time what we are supposed to do? So if first symbol is non-terminal but we need only terminal, then find the first of f. We have already done it. What is it? Open parenthesis comma id. That's it. See, you are not supposed to go to t dash because the f is having only what? Terminals. So you are not supposed to go to next symbol. When you can go to the next symbol if f is having epsilon. For example, if you are having like this, then you are having, in that case, open parenthesis id, epsilon will allow you to go to the next symbol. Otherwise you are not supposed to take the epsilon, you are not supposed to go to behind the first symbol. Same way, let me go with the e dash. So what you are going to have here, first symbol is plus, take it. So don't go to the other symbols. And what is the first symbol here? Epsilon. Then go to the next symbol. As there is no symbol, then you take it, epsilon. Same way, consider the first symbol here, non-terminal t. So first of t, we have already found it, open parenthesis comma id. So this is how you have to find the first of a grammar. So once you got the first of a grammar, then you can easily find the follow. Not exactly easy, but you can find it, right? So let me just remove all these, right? Okay, then when you're asked to find the follow, then go in top down approach, reverse. Then I want to find the follow of e. See guys, whenever you're asked to find the follow of a non-terminal, first check whether it is a starting symbol. If it is a starting symbol, take the dollar. And that's not the end of it. And check whether E is occurred anywhere on RHS. Right? Yes, we have here. So E is followed by what? The first of remaining symbols in the production. So it is nothing but first of close parenthesis. So first of a close parenthesis is nothing but close parenthesis only. That's it. And nowhere we have the E. If somewhere we have right hand side, again you have to find it. So on RHS somewhere if you have E, then the follow of E is nothing but first of remaining symbols. That's it. Same way, let me go with the next E dash. Follow of E dash. So E dash is not a starting symbol. So for this instance, don't take the dollar, but later it may come. Then how many times E dash is occurred? 2 times, year and year. So E dash is followed by nothing. If it is followed by nothing, then take the follow of left hand side. So follow of E dash is follow of E dash recursive. And same way here, follow of E dash is follow of E. So what is the follow of E? Dollar comma cross parenthesis. So like that you have to iterate it until there are no symbols to be added. Right? I have done in 2 ways. See, follow of E dash is nothing but follow of E. Right? As E dash is followed by nothing. Then same way go for follow of T. Guys, listen here. So T is not a starting symbol. So don't take the dollar for this case. Later it may come or may not. That we don't know. Earlier we got in E dash, right? So T is occurred here and occurred here. In 2 places you have to find. So follow of T is nothing but first of E dash, not epsilon, only first of E dash, because this is different production. So what is the first of E dash? We have already found it. Plus comma epsilon. As epsilon is there, then you have to go to the next symbol. Do you have any symbol here? No. Then take the follow of E dash. So what is the follow of E dash? Dollar comma close parenthesis. Of course you didn't understand this. Let me repeat it. Okay. If you got it, well and good. That's not a big problem. Okay. Now see guys, listen once again. Follow of T. So T is followed by what? E dash. So you should not take the non-terminals. Then take the first of E dash. What is the first of E dash? Plus comma epsilon. Take the plus. Epsilon by mistake you are not supposed to take in the follow. In first somehow it is possible, but in follow you never have the epsilon. Whenever you get the epsilon in place of a non-terminal, go to the next symbol. Do you have any symbol in this production? No, because epsilon is different. Then if there is no symbol, in first set we have taken the epsilon, but in follow if there is no symbol, then go to the left hand side non-terminal and find the follow of it. So you write it. That's it. So same way you have to find the follow in the other occurrence of E dash here. You have to find here also. So then you'll get the same. So follow of T is nothing but first of E dash, what it is, plus comma epsilon, take plus, epsilon means go to the next symbol. As there is no symbol, then find the follow of E, dollar and close, same. Right, then go for follow of T dash. See guys, this is follow of T dash. So now T dash is year and year. as it is not a starting symbol, don't take it. And follow of t dash is follow of t dash, recursive. Follow of t dash is follow of t. What is the follow of t? We have already found it, plus dollar and close parenthesis. Then go for follow of f, right? So if you didn't understand the follow of t, just listen one more time for follow of f. So f is occurred here and here. So follow of f is nothing but first of t dash. What is the first of t dash? Star comma epsilon. Take the star. As epsilon, go to the next symbol in the production. As we don't have any symbol, then take the follow of t dash. What is the follow of t dash? Plus dollar and close parenthesis. And task is not over yet. Again, you have to repeat here, but you will get the same. So this is what we got. This is what you can check here. So this is how we have to find the first and follow. So same way, when you're asked to find the first and follow of another grammar, so you can just go with this, right? First find the first, then go for follow, right? First and follow. So as I told you, when you're asked to find the first, go from bottom up approach. That would be easy. So f, right, and epsilon, go to the next symbol. As there is no symbol, you take it in the first, but in follow you have to go to the left side. Take g, and epsilon, there is no symbol, you take it. And see guys, listen, first of e, first of d is nothing but first of e. What is it? G comma epsilon. Don't take epsilon when you have a symbol, then go to the next symbol. Epsilon means key to go to next symbol. First of f comma epsilon. So epsilon means go to the next symbol. As there is no symbol, in first you have to take it, but in follow you have to go to left side. That's the only difference, right? So same way, what is the first of here? C. So B, then take it, don't go left hand side. And epsilon, go to the next symbol. As there is no symbol, then take epsilon. Same way C, and same way A. That's it. Then you are asked to find the follow, right? So to find the follow of each and every non-terminal, you can check here. Guys, listen. So go from bottom up approach, sorry, top down approach. Okay. So as there is no sorry, if it is a starting symbol, take the dollar. And as there is no S on RHS, then you can stop. And what is the follow of A? Sorry, B. Follow of B. B is occurred only here. So first of D. First of D means what? G, F, epsilon. Take G and F. Epsilon means go to the next symbol. What is it? H. You take it. Then same way, B is nowhere occurred. Then take follow of C. So C is occurred two times. Follow of C is follow of C. Follow of C is follow of B. What is the follow of B? We already found G, F and H. Same way, follow of D. So D is followed by H. As it is a terminal, you can directly take it. And same way, follow of E. E is occurred here. So it is nothing but first of F. What is the first of F? F comma epsilon, but don't take it. Epsilon means go to the next symbol, then no symbol, then take the follow of D. What is it? H. We have just found. Then follow of F is nothing but follow of D. It is nothing but H. So this is how you have to find the follow and first, right? So in the next video, we'll use this first and follow to construct the table.